Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the mode instruction in Siemens PLC S7-300. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's go to the topic. I will open my Semantic Manager software. And here we will create a new project. Just first we have to go to the PLC and upload station to PG. As this interface will open, after click on view, if your PLC is connected with your PC, after it will be shown in this dialog box. You can see here is a message came CPU 314 IFM. So click OK again, and this is asking for again OK, and again click OK, in which program will be inside your PLC, that will be backup also. That you can see here is our CPU 314 IFM is connected with the PLC. So click on blocks and double click on OB1. Here is we will delete old program and we will create new program. So go on view. First we will make it little bigger fonts, after easy to visible. In the integer function section, here you can see all these commands already we discussed in previous videos. If you not understand about this all commands, you go my previous videos and you can see in a serial you can find. And this is the last and important command. This is mode instruction. We will double click on this one and you will get here command. And after just one close contact, and you can choose, and number address we can give, for example I124.0 or whatever which you have address. And here we will choose data registers MW MW10, for example we will choose, and next we will choose MW20, and result we will take in MW30 and download to the PLC. Basically this command is also worked as a division command, because of this command shows the which digits after the decimal, that digits this show this command. So for example here we will modify the, for example 55, and click enter, and after you can see here is the answer is 0, because of still we not give the value at here MD20. For example here we will give the value, for example 5, and click enter. After still 0 is 5, because of 55 is same as, but once I will give this presentation for the decimal, after you will be so see. And for example I will write it here, for example 7, after you can see also here is a 6. How comes, that's for explanation I have to once more stop the simulation, and one line we will take it here, and we will take also this division command, and same data we will take MW10, and here also MW20, and here next we will data take MW40, After you better understand how this command works, download to the PLC and make it monitor. And now you can see here is a 55. If we are using, for example, division command, when we'd like to divide 55 by 7, answer will be how much come? 7. 7 how much, how can come? 7 by 7, 49. 49 and remaining how much for 55? 49 plus 150 and plus 5 how much? 6. That answer this command shows which is remaining of your division figure after this command will be shown. For an example, here I will write 65 and enter, and now you can see here is answer is 2. How 2 becomes? Because of 7 multiplied by 9, how much came? 65. 907, we will open the calculator also to you better understand that 7 multiply by 9, answer is how much? 63. And 63 plus how much? 65, because of we define it here 65. In mode command we write it here 65, and second value we give the 7 value, and remaining is how much? 2. 63 plus 2 is how much? 65. I will also here plus 2. Our answer is 65 completed. One more example I will try to show you. For example, here we will modify for 9 for example, and click enter, and you can see this is 9, same answer is 2. 2 how comes? 9 multiplied by 7, how much answer? Here we will check. 9 multiply by 7, answer is 63, and 2 remaining, which answer he shows here, that will be 65 completed. And for example, here we will make 12 for example. I write the 12 value, and here you can see this value shows 5. Here also you can, in the division command you can see 12 multiplied by 5, how much? 60. Remaining how much? 5. This which is the remaining answer of the division command, that command shows the remaining answer. This command may be used in that programs where is any floating points are running, and after the decimal which value have come, that's they will be like to show. This command look like works this one. Basically this is division command, but this is working as a which figure remaining of the division command, that will be shows. One more example we will take it here. For example 3 I will write, or 4 write, any we can write. 4 when I write, answer you can see is remaining 1. How 1 coming? Because of 16 multiply by 4, 16 divide 4, answer is 64, and our answer is 65, and answer is comes 164 plus 1, which is remaining figure. That command shows us in the output data register MW30. Any data register you can choose it here, MW40, 50, 60. Data register nothing issue. You can double word data register also you can choose, single word data register also you can choose. But must remind this one, if you choose single word data you use 16-bit, and otherwise if you like to use 32-bit data you have to be use MD series, you can use this command. Hope guys you will be understand about this command. If still not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.